Hey everyone, thanks for always tuning in. It's Marissa here.
Everyone, thank you for always watching. I'm Rimu.
Today, we are heading to a dam deep in the mountains, you know.
Riders sure do love dams, don't they?
There's awesome scenery to be seen, that's why.
I wonder if dams are popular touring destinations abroad too?
Not sure about that. Maybe it's cause there are dams all over Japan.
Should we ask everyone?
Eh? Remu, you got foreign friends.
There's a comment section, you know.
Right, all our viewers are our buddies.
Please, tell us about popular touring spots in your country.
So enjoy the mountain touring in Japan, and
enjoy visiting the dam to the fullest.
And now, our signature phrase everyone knows, take it easy.
Arrival. Mountain roads are always the best, aren't they?
The mountain scenery is the essence of dam touring, you know.
I wonder where we're going next.
First, we are heading to the observation deck, almost there. Looks like we are heading to that suspension bridge next, you know.
Eh, isn't the entrance to that bridge closed? Can we get in?
Oh, that's true. The uploader is too engrossed in filming to notice.
Shouldn't we tell him?
Nah, it'll be fun to watch. Let's keep quiet.
Marissa, you are being wicked.
Oh, looks like the uploader's getting ready to speak.
He has recently started trying to explain things himself, hasn't he?
Trying something new is always good, ain't it?
But his weakness in speaking is a bit of a drawback, isn't it?
More like a fatal flaw than a bit of a drawback.
Marissa, that's harsh. Let's watch over him warmly.
Yeah, oh, the explanation is starting.
ここ長島ダムは放水の仕方がちょっと他のダムと違っていて、勢いよく噴き出す感じの放水路があるということです。そのためしぶきが遠くまで飛ぶんで橋の方にかかるということなんだけども、つうか行き止まりじゃね？行き止まりっぽいですけど大丈夫なのかな？大丈夫じゃないですね。行き止まりですね。下に行く道はないのかな？あ、行き過ぎただけか。あ、しぶきバスって書いてありますね。皆さん標識はちゃんと見ましょうという神様のお告げです。
That was kinda messy, huh?
It's just your imagination, probably.
Well, it means there's potential for growth from here on.
Let's support him with a big heart.
Like this dam, you know.
That's a bit too big. It's the entrance to the suspension bridge. It's closed, just as I thought.
Looks like the uploader
なん
noticed
か
it too.
入り口が柵になっていて通行止めっぽいのは気のせいでしょうか？大丈夫なのかな？ダメっぽいかな？いいんだよね。よかった。入って OK みたいです。
Oh, it's a gate that opens easily.
We looked kinda silly getting all excited about that, huh?
Wow, that's awesome.
This dam is the type that releases water with great force, huh?
It's quite rare.
I've only ever seen the type that releases water from high gates, you know.
The splash of water feels good.
This is a blessing under the scorching summer sun.
I could stay here forever.
Ah, looks like the uploader is going to explore the surroundings.
I want to wait here. What about you, Marissa?
I'd like to cool off here with Remo. So,
off you go then.
Those stairs were tough, huh?
With the heat and fatigue, it felt like my soul was about to leave my body first.
I'm glad I didn't have to climb all the way to heaven.
The wind on top of the dam is indeed pleasant.
The view from up here is amazing too.
I can see why dams are popular with riders.
People crossing the suspension bridge look so tiny from here.
There's a fixed line to say at times like this, isn't there?
I can kinda guess what you're going to say, but I don't want to say it.
Then, it's just me. Look, the people are like garbage. You said it too, Marissa.
Well, Studio Ghibli references are universal. Let's take a break at the rest area. The heat's killing me.
Why not take off that unnecessarily big hat?
This is my trademark, so I won't give it up.
Oh, looks like the uploader wants to take a break too.
Looks like it's just you who's energetic, Remo.
I wonder why he changed the direction of the camera.
There's a train coming on the distant tracks.
It's small and hard to see.
For your viewing pleasure, I've prepared a video I shot last month.
Stop breaking the fourth wall so suddenly. Thank you for watching. That's it for today's video, everyone. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
Comments are also welcome. And don't forget, we've got more videos of us riding Royal Enfield motorcycles in Japan, so please subscribe to our channel.
Please take care and always ride safely.
Thanks for watching, folks. Remember, safety first when you're out riding.